Over 60, here's something most people will never tell you. Your body may be aging faster than you think. Not because of the number on your birthday cake, but because of what's happening silently inside your muscles, your heart, and the systems that once helped you move freely without a second thought. Weakness, fatigue, slower movement, most people accept these as normal signs of aging. But what if they are actually warning signals? What if your body is trying to tell you something? And what if there was a simple 1-minute test that you can do right in your living room, with no equipment, that reveals the truth about your heart health, your strength, and your future independence? Doctors use it. Researchers trust it. And you might be surprised by what it reveals about your health. Sadly, most people over 60 cannot pass this test. Not because they are lazy, but because no one ever told them how important strength really is after 60. So if you want to stay independent, avoid heart disease, prevent muscle loss, protect your bones, and keep doing the things you love on your own terms, then stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, you will learn how this 1-minute test works, what your result truly says about your aging body, and how you can dramatically improve your health starting today. But before we begin, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. It means so much to me to see how far we are reaching and who I am helping on their journey to better health. Now let's dive in. Once you reach 60, your body goes through a major shift. Muscle loss accelerates to around 3% every year, balance becomes less stable, the heart struggles more to pump blood efficiently, and even everyday activities start to feel heavier. Getting up from a chair, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, tasks you never thought twice about, suddenly ask more from your muscles and heart. But here's the hopeful truth: your body doesn't decline overnight. It gives you signals. Tiny warnings that say, hey, we need to change something before it's too late, and that's exactly why the push-up test is so important. This simple test doesn't just measure arm strength. It evaluates how well your heart and lungs deliver oxygen. It tests how stable your joints are. It checks how strong your core is at protecting your spine. It reveals how well your brain and muscles communicate to keep you from falling. This is why it's used by medical experts and military trainers alike. A large study published in JAMA Network Open tracked over 1,000 men for 10 years. The results were shocking. Those who could complete more than 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of a major heart issue than those who could do fewer than 10. 40 push-ups doesn't just mean strength, it means a strong, efficient heart and powerful lungs. And even though this study focused on men, the conclusion applies to all older adults. Your push-up ability isn't about looking fit. It's a strong indicator of how well you're aging internally. Strength is life. Weakness is a warning. And this test shows you exactly where you are on that spectrum. So what does your push-up number say? If you can do fewer than 5 push-ups, that is a very strong sign that your strength is too low to support healthy aging. Daily tasks may feel harder, balance may be less stable, and fall risk increases. This is an urgent reminder that now is the time to rebuild strength. If you can do 5 to 12 push-ups, you are in the average range, and that's a good place to start. But improving from there will greatly reduce your risk of heart issues and joint pain. If you're in the 13 to 20 range, you are above average. Your body is aging well, and your heart and muscles are putting up a strong fight. And if you can do 21 or more, that is fantastic. You are strong, resilient, and building a future with more healthy years and greater independence. But please remember, your number is not a label. It's not a judgment. It's simply your starting point. And your starting point today is not your finish line. You have progress ahead, no matter where you are now. Now, let's talk about what affects your strength. Most people assume that if they're weak, they should just exercise more. But there are 4 invisible factors that play a huge role. The first is protein. After age 60, your body processes protein less efficiently, which means if you don't eat enough, your muscles shrink, even if you exercise. You need a good source of protein, 20 to 30 grams at each meal. The second factor is sleep. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormone to repair muscles and bones. If you sleep poorly or less than 7 hours a night, your strength declines faster. The third pillar is recovery. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you work out. You should allow 24 to 48 hours between strength sessions. The fourth pillar is form. Poor posture during push-ups puts stress on your shoulders and lower back, and gives you less benefit. Proper technique results in real strength gains and protects your joints long-term. If your result wasn't what you hoped for, don't blame aging, these may be the missing pieces. And now, the question I hear most often, what if I can't do one push-up? My answer is simple, that means you are ready to begin. Starting from zero isn't failure. It's your first step toward success. Many seniors who once struggled to get off the couch have regained strength they thought was gone forever. And it all began with a single easy variation. You can start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, and lower slowly. 10 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 times a day. Once that becomes comfortable, progress to a kitchen counter or sturdy table. That increases the challenge gently. From there, move to knee push-ups on the floor, focusing on keeping your body straight from head to knees. And when your body is ready, try full push-ups. You might start with 1. A week later, you might do 2. And before long, you'll surprise yourself. Every push-up signals to your muscles and heart, wake up. We are getting stronger again. Growth does not stop at 60. Your body is still listening. Let me now show you how to perform the official test. You'll need just 1 minute. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Place your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Lower your chest until your elbows form a 90-degree angle, or until your chest nearly touches the ground. Push back up, fully extending your arms. Each time you lower and lift with correct form, count 1 repetition. If your form breaks, if your hips sag or your body shakes, pause, regroup, then continue if it feels safe. When the minute ends, write down your final number. This is your baseline. Test again every 30 days, and you will see improvement if you stay consistent. Before I continue, let me share a true story that continues to inspire me. Ron, a 67-year-old retired truck driver from Ohio, was always tired. He had gained weight. His blood pressure was high. His doctor warned him that his heart was struggling. One day, his grandson asked him, "Grandpa, can you do a push-up?" Ron laughed it off, but later that night, he dropped to the floor to try. He couldn't do even 1. That single moment changed everything. The next day, he started with wall push-ups. Just 5, then 10. Then he moved to the counter. And slowly, he grew stronger. 3 months later, Ron could do 10 full push-ups in 1 minute. He lost 15 pounds. He slept better. His blood pressure dropped. He felt alive again. Today, at 68, Ron leads a small senior fitness group in his community and inspires others. He once said to me, "I thought I was just getting old. Turns out, I was just out of shape." Ron is living proof that strength has no expiration date. Of course, safety always comes first. Please warm up for 3 to 5 minutes before attempting the test. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain, dizziness, or chest discomfort. Increase your effort gradually. And take a full day of rest between push-up sessions to protect your joints and muscles. Your health journey isn't a sprint. It's a lifelong commitment to yourself. Respect your body, it will reward you in ways you can't imagine. So now let me speak directly to you. Maybe you're 60. Maybe 70. Maybe even in your 80s. Maybe you haven't exercised in years. Maybe push-ups feel impossible right now. But I want you to hear me clearly. You are not too old. You are not too weak. You are not done. Your body still knows how to grow stronger. Your heart still wants to work better. Your future still has room for improvement and joy. This 1-minute test isn't about impressing anyone else. It's about proving to yourself that you are still capable of change. Every time you push up, you are voting for a better future, a future with more independence, more mobility, more confidence, fewer pills, fewer hospital visits, more adventures, more playtime with grandchildren, and more life lived on your terms. And it all starts with just one push-up. One small effort. One huge decision to take control of your health. Starting now. So here's my challenge to you. Take the push-up test today. Write down your score. Then share your number or your goal in the comments. And most importantly, come back in 30 days and test again. I'll be right here cheering you on. Because I believe in you. I believe in your strength. And I believe your best years can still be ahead of you. Your next chapter of strength begins today. And it begins with your decision to do something for your health. Right now. Let's start together. You are stronger than you think.